create a roller coaster and launching mechanism to demonstrate the speed and distance a golf ball will travel. Teams will integrate the testing of their roller coaster with a team-created thrilling event. Please note we are using mobile scoring, so the appraisers will be using their own devices. Now I am pleased to present the Peking Parrots from Ohio! Please thank the team managers for all their hard work. Team, do you give permission to be recorded?
Yes.
What about flash photography?
Yes.
Perfect, thank you so much. So without further ado, audience, are you ready? Appraisers, are you ready?
Ready for an island adventure.
Team, are you ready?
Ready to walk.
Team, your time starts now.
One sunny day, Zach and Zen wanted to go to the Tropical Fun Island. They found 2 tickets when they were going through their birthday gifts a few days ago. Tickets! The next day, they started driving to the Tropical Fun Island. Are we almost there yet? Not quite, but almost. After some time. Yes! They had finally arrived. Ooh, I'm so excited. They walked into the main entrance when they heard people talking about a brand new roller coaster ride called the Peking Parrot. Let's go check out the new roller coaster. Yeah, let's go. They started heading to the new roller coaster. When they arrived, they saw a Tropical Fun Island worker.
Hi there. Do you like to enter the drawing to win a chance to be the first people to ride the brand new Peking Parrot?
Yes.
Write your name on these 2 paper pieces. Look in the drawing in 10 minutes.
10 minutes later.
Congratulations to Zach and Jen. They'll be the first to ride the brand new Peking Parrot.
Zach and Zen hopped on the roller coaster. The roller coaster started moving. Woo! Ah!
Hold on tight because we're going to push the most fun part of the ride. None other than the helix. Woohoo, the helix, woohoo, the helix. Now we're entering the bunny hop.
After one ride, the roller coaster ended. Zach and Zen were approached by an interviewer. The interviewer walked up to them and asked,
Did you guys like the roller coaster?
"Yes,
What was your favorite part of the Peking Parrot?
the helix."
How did you feel about being the first ones to ride the Peking Parrot roller coaster?
I think it was really fun and exciting. I think we were lucky when we first tried the Peking Parrot.
Great.
Zach and Zen heard a sound, like ring, 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 and they also heard a click. Zach and Zen opened their eyes wide open. They see their mother, and their mother is talking to them, saying, "Good morning, Zach and Jen. Breakfast's ready." Zach and Zen realized it was just another fabulous dream. Okay, we gotta hurry. Time! With text.